So here so we can see that area of rectangle is this much. If length is this much, if breadth is this much, find length means simply length is equal to area divided by breadth. Area is 8x square plus 22x plus 15. So we will do factorization for 8x square plus 22x plus 15. How I will do is 8x square 22x can be written as 10x plus 12x plus 15 by 2x plus 3 breadth. So then why 10x plus 12x only? Because reason is, if you, yesterday I was telling this, we are splitting the middle term. If you multiply those terms, you should get the end terms product. 15 into 8 is how much? 120. So when you multiply this 10 and 12, we'll get 120 out. And 10 plus 12 is 22. That is the reason. Okay. So now we will take common. So common we will take it, numerator what we can take common, 4x is common, maximum into 2x plus, no, 4x is not common. How much we can take common, Maisha, in the first two terms? In the first two terms, Maisha, we can take 2x common, Maisha. Because 2x,
Okay,
if you
sir.
take common, it will become 4x,
Sir,
2 into
actually, in
4
the next two terms, we can't take anything.
plus 5.
Oh, okay. Sir, for the next one, we need to take.
Only 3. Only
Yes.
3, Pranavi.
Sir, is that
3,
15 or 16?
15, Maisha. Actually, since place is not there, it,
Sir,
it came
okay, sir.
15. Then 3 common here.
Sir, so 2x plus 3 into 4x plus 5.
Yes, that is correct.
So then
So
in the
length is,
numerator, it's going to be 2x plus 3, and in the denominator also, we can cancel it.
yes, Pranavi. So overall 4x plus 5 is common. Yes, Pranavi. I'll write like this, Pranavi. Overall 4x plus 5 is common. First I'll take the common one and then leftover ones 2x plus 3. Denominator also 2x plus 3. So this is nothing but division. This and this will get you will get L as 4x plus 5.
Sir, can you hear any background noises?
No, Pranavi. I just heard, I think from Maisha side I heard. Maisha speaking to someone.
Oh,
I think.
okay.
Or from your side, Pranavi. Just now I heard some voice. Actually.
Yes, sir. Actually, some people are speaking here in the background.
Yes, Pranavi. So if it is not compulsory, if you wish to do long division also we will get the same answer. L 4x means if you divide that area with 2x plus 3 long division also you will get same 4x plus
Sir,
5 only.
but long division, it's going to take a long time, and also it's like lengthy, right?
Yes, Pranavi, but this is a small polynomial, no, Pranavi. Long division also we'll get it. But when we should not prefer long division is if suppose seventh question is there, no? That type of ones we should not go for long. If they gave it like separate factors means we should understand that this 5 into y square minus y minus 12 also we should write it as factors and then some will get cut. Here also that only we did it, 8th one also. But 8th one can be done using long division also because it's 3 terms only, no? 8x cube plus 22x plus 15, 3 terms only. So long division also will quickly finish actually.
Okay, sir.
So then 10th one. So Maisha, you have any doubt in the 9th one?
No, sir.
The splitting the middle term, anyways, after doing some more sums, you will understand much better, Maisha. Why 10x plus 12x? Because 10x plus 12x is 22x, which is middle term. And if you multiply 10 and 12, you will get 120, which is the end terms product. That is 15 into 8. Okay, Mahesh, I am deleting this. Then 10th one, find the value of x if x into
Okay,
y minus z.
sir.
Mahesh. So from this,
Sir, you told I'm deleting it, so I told okay.
Mahesh, you don't have to.
No, sir, you told you're deleting that, so I told yes, sir.
Oh, okay, Mahesh. So Maisha, here we want x, so whatever multiplied with x, I just took it to the right side because the reason is we want only x. X is multiplied with y minus z, so y minus z will go to the other side, it will be divided, it will go to the denominator, no? So I just took it to the other side. This one we cannot do anything further, but this one we can factorize. So first what I will do is, Pranavi and Maisha, for the numerator, x is equal to, I'll take 9 common first. 9 into y square
Sir, what
minus
did
z
you? So you can
by
write 9 into y minus z whole square.
no, Pranavi, we cannot write like that because y minus z whole square means again a square minus 2ab plus b square.
So can
Y
you
minus
repeat?
z
I couldn't hear you.
in the numerator I took 9 common, Maisha. In the numerator I took 9 common. So it becomes 9 into bracket open y square
Okay,
minus z
sir.
square. Then denominator y minus z into y plus z, if you want you can write it as y square minus z square. This will get cut.
X is equal to 9. So x equals 9.
Yes, Maisha. Or if any one of you get the idea of not multiplying the denominators, you didn't get the idea of writing a minus b to a plus b as a square minus b square in the denominator, then what you should do? Numerator a square minus b square, you have to write it as y minus z into y plus z. A plus b, a minus b into a plus b. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this will get cut.
Okay,
Anyways,
sir.
it will come same. 9 will be left there. 9 only will come answer. So here actually Pranavi, you asked one doubt. That one is clear. No? Why we should not write y minus z whole square? Because if you write y minus z whole square there, this place, y minus z whole square means what? Y square minus 2yz plus z square.
Yes,
But
sir.
here
Got it.
many terms are not there, only two terms. So that's it.
Yes, sir. I understood.
So Manisha, first we took 9 common in the numerator and then we got y square minus z square, then a square minus b square, we wrote it as a minus b into a plus b over. Then we cut it that one over like that. Then 10th one. Whenever only two terms if you see in the question, first you should try to check for a square minus b square only. Whenever two terms only if you see in the question and it is factorized, you should check for a square whether that question can be written in the form of a square minus b square or not. So here I'll write this 25 a power 4 as 5a square whole square and 4b power 4 as 2b square whole square. Okay. So this will become a and this will become b now. Or imagine I'll use another letter then better. X square minus y square. It looks like x square minus y square.
Okay,
Now
sir.
we should write it as x plus y into x minus y. I should write it.
Sir, can you repeat?
S
I
minus
couldn't
s
hear you properly.
25 is 5 square no Pranavi.
Sir, what?
25 is 5 square no 25.
Yes, sir.
A power 4 is nothing but a square whole square no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pranavi. So I wrote it as 5a square whole square, Pranavi, 25a power 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And 4b power 4 as 2b square whole square. 4b power 4.
Yes, sir.
I wrote
Got
it
it.
as 2b. Now it looks like a square minus b square in the place of, since already a and b are there in the question, I took it x square minus b square, y square. It looks like x square minus y square. No.
Sir, why did
Where
you
in the,
do x square?
no, Pranavi, this is identity. The above step looks like, the above step looks like.
Okay.
This is of form x square minus, I used letter x and y because if I write a square minus b square again, already in the question a and b is there, no?
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason, Pranavi.
Okay, sir. Got it. Oh, sir, Maisha left the meet.
Yes, Pranavi. So now, in the play, if we observe this, can you tell Maisha in the place of x what is there? Now, like above step, if we observe x in the place of x, we have 5a square, and in the place of y, we have, what is y, Pranavi? Can you tell?
Sir, what?
In the place of y, Pranavi.
2b square. 2b square.
Yes, Pranavi. Now just we need to write it as x plus y into x minus y. That is only the answer over factorization.
5 a square plus 2b square into 5a square minus 2b square.
Yes, Pranavi, that is correct. Like this. This is only the answer. So Maisha and Pranavi, I'm deleting this. If anyone of you have any doubt, you can ask me. I wrote 25a power 4 minus 4b power 4 as 5a square whole square minus 2b square whole square. Now it looks like x square minus y square, which is x plus y into x minus y. I used, instead of a square minus b square, I wrote x square minus y square because in the question already a square and b square is there. That's why, not to confuse. Now in the place of x, we have 5a square. In the place of y, we have 2b square. I wrote simply x plus y into x minus y, which is 5a square plus 2b square into 5a square minus 2b square. Shall I delete this?
Yeah.
Okay, Pranavi. My son deleting this. The next one also same way, same like this only. You can see only two terms. So first we should check for a square minus b square. Can it be written in the form of a square minus b square? Yes, it is possible. So I can write this as 13y square whole square
Whole square.
minus 16 is 4 square. So
So,
it looks like
this
a,
looks like x square minus y square. So it can be written as x into x plus y whole square into x minus y whole square.
whole square, Pranavi.
No, sir, not sir.
A plus b into a minus b.
Yes, sir, not whole square.
Yes, Pranavi. So a is 13y square and b is 4. So a plus b into a minus b. So 13y square minus 4. This much only. Here I didn't write the formula because already we used in the previous. This much only answer. Just we should write in the exam extra. This looks like a square minus b square, where a is 13y square, b is 4. So which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 13y square plus 4 into 13y square minus 4 over. So shall I delete this Pranav mention?
Yes, sir.
Pranav.
So 1 minute.
Okay, mention. So imagine it like x square minus y square. Compare it. So in the place of x, what is there, Pranav?
A plus 2b.
In the place of x, a plus 2b is there. In the place of y, is mentioned. In the place of y, what is there? 2a minus b. Now only for this particular sum, you can write it first x plus y and x minus y. You can separately find out and club them. Generally, x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. No, Pranavi and Maisha. We have to write like this, no, Pranavi.
Yes, sir.
Now only for this sum, because it's individually x and y binomials. No, they are. So not to confuse, first you can separately find out x plus y for convenience and x minus y, both of them separately, and then you can write it together. So
Yes,
x
sir.
plus y means what? A plus 2b is plus 2a minus b. So there are some like terms. So it will become finally a plus 2a.
3a plus b. I mean,
2
yeah.
plus 2b minus b is plus b. So it will become 3a plus b. Then x minus y. X minus y will become a plus 2b minus bracket open. Why bracket open? Because it's a binomial. Y is minus is for entire y. That's why.
So b is going to become plus b instead of minus b.
Bracket open is Pranavi minus 2a minus of minus plus
Plus
b. So it will become a minus 2a.
uh,
Like terms a minus 2a is minus 1a
minus a plus 3b.
plus 2b plus b is 3b.
Sir, we can write 3b minus 1a.
Yes, Pranavi, that is correct. So if we don't want to write minus in the first place, we can write the same thing as 3b minus 1a. Then final answer, you have to write it in this form. We'll club x plus y value and x minus y value. That will be the final answer. Only for this I did x plus y, x minus y separately because binomials are there, not to confuse. So what we have to write finally now, answer is 3a plus b into 3b minus a is the factorization for this. X plus y into x minus y. I just clubbed x plus y value and x minus y value.